Jason Allen here from PlayIt Software. Today we're going to look at how you can use no IP to get a consistent web address to use to connect to PlayIt Live or PlayIt Manager externally. So here we are in PlayIt Live and I want to remotely manage my PlayIt Live instance from outside my network. Now I can do this by going to File and Enable Remote Connections. And you can see my server is already switched on and I've already configured my PlayIt Live instance or this machine for external access. So run through these, you'll get some buttons to enable firewall rules and you'll need to configure port forwarding to your machine on your router or your corporate network. Now I can access my PlayIt Live instance via this IP address, which you can see here. But the problem with this IP address is that for some internet service providers, the address isn't necessarily consistent. So if I come to this tomorrow or next week, the IP address might have changed, and there's no guarantee that it will remain the same. Now if you flick back to PlayIt Live, there's a box at the bottom which says, please note this address may change if you don't have a static IP address with your internet service provider. You may wish to consider a dynamic DNS provider to ensure you can use the same address to access PlayIt Live externally. A DNS provider allows you to use a consistent address to connect to a remote machine. An example of a dynamic DNS provider would be no IP. So we'll have a look at that provider now. So this is www.noip.com, and these guys will let you have a consistent web address that looks like anything you would type into a browser, but it maps to the IP address of your computer at a particular time. So I'll show you how to set this up today. First go to sign up and enter your email address and a password. And then you'll need to give it a host name. So this is the name that you'll use to connect to this machine. So in the example here, they've got .hop2.org, or you can choose any of these other favorites. I shall call this test PlayIt. And if it lets you enter it, it's available. If it doesn't, if you put something really common like test, it'll say, sorry, this is already taken. Maybe you can go with something else. So go for something that's unique to your radio station. Scroll down this page. There's a free DDNS, Dynamic DNS option, which allows you to have one domain choice and 3 host names, which is sufficient for what we want to do today. Make sure you read the terms of service and check the box and click free sign up. You'll then need to confirm your email address, which you can do right now. So once you've confirmed your account, you'll see this Your Account is Now Active page. And the next thing you want to do is download the Dynamic Update client. So the Dynamic Update client is designed to run on your computer all the time, and this will be telling no IP what your current IP address is, so it can map the hostname to that IP address. So click on Download and Download Now, and this will download this to install on your computer. Click on the download and follow the instructions to install the dynamic client. Once this is installed, click on Finish, and this will show the login screen. Now log in with the email address and password that you entered in the registration form. And this will then show the list of hosts that you have set up. So here we've got our testplayit.hop2.org. You tick this box and click on Save, and you'll notice now that my status is all green ticks and that my IP address has been recognized. So now if I use testplayit.hop2.org in place of my IP address, I will be able to use this from anywhere. So as you can see here now at the top, testplayit.hop2.org and the ports will give me the same page for my remote management server. So that's how we use NoIP to map my IP address to a static host name. Jumping back to NoIP for a second, if I click on my account at the top, you'll see that I have one active host name. If I click on this, you'll see this is mapped to my IP address, and this has a type A. Now this is important, make sure it always stays as A. If I do a create host name, you can see you can create a new one, but make sure you do not set it to web redirect. If you use web redirect, features such as syncing will not work between PlayIt Live instances and PlayIt Manager or PlayIt Live instances. Please ensure this is set to DNS host (A). So that's how you use NoIP as a dynamic DNS service in order for you to use PlayIt Live Remote Management Server or PlayIt Manager to remotely manage your PlayIt Live data. If you like this video, please click the like button below and leave your comments in the comments section below. And to keep up to date with the latest goings on at PlayIt Software, you can subscribe to us on YouTube and like us on Facebook. I've been Jason Allen from PlayIt Software.